We're about to dive into an epic battle of innovation in the world of smartphones. OnePlus Open and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 are here to rewrite the rules, and we're here to guide you through with the comparison between two. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of this competition, let's talk about the groundbreaking entry of OnePlus into the foldable smartphone arena. OnePlus Open is a game-changer that's about to end Samsung's monopoly in the foldable segment. Known for offering insane specs and premium designs, OnePlus is now stepping into the foldable world. Design is the first battlefield. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 takes the traditional route with a slimmer folded state, a 6.3-inch cover display, and a reliable hinge. It's an elegant blend of practicality. On the other hand, OnePlus Open goes for a luxurious theme, imitating a conventional OnePlus device when closed, and it doesn't stop there. With a 7.8-inch main display and the mission to eliminate creases, it's a head-turner. Not to mention the vegan leather finish option for the black variant. The winner here? OnePlus Open. Next up, displays. OnePlus Open seems to have an edge here with a wider aspect ratio for the 6.3-inch cover display and a 7.8-inch main display. Plus, the rumored reduction of the crease is a huge advantage. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 features an in-display front camera, providing an immersive experience and Samsung's renowned display quality. Both shine bright, making this round a tie. Performance is the heart of these smartphones. OnePlus Open boasts the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and a slick Oxygen OS interface. It's expected to perform like a champion. But Samsung has its Galaxy Z Fold 5 powered by the same chipset, overclocked for an extra punch. With Samsung's MIUI 5.1 interface based on Android 13, it's a multitasking powerhouse. We're giving this round to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Cameras, the eye of the smartphone. Galaxy Z Fold 5 sticks to a conventional setup with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. It's good but not revolutionary. Now, OnePlus Open collaborates with Hasselblad, offering a 48-megapixel main camera, another 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. It's a winning recipe. OnePlus Open takes this round. Long-lasting batteries are essential. Galaxy Z Fold 5 surprises with its 4400 mAh battery, delivering all-day stamina. But the OnePlus Open aims to outshine with a bigger 4800 mAh battery. What's more, it offers faster 67 watts wired charging, aligning with modern flagship standards. Another win for OnePlus Open. OnePlus Open, on paper, offers more practicality, a bigger battery, and faster charging. However, remember, this is based on speculations. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is currently the nicest foldable smartphone with an unparalleled software experience. But your choice depends on your priorities and preferences. OnePlus Open challenges the reigning champion, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's all about what you value most in a foldable smartphone. For those who seek innovation, it might be worth waiting for the OnePlus Open. However, if you want a solid immersive experience now, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is our top recommendation. Which one would you choose, OnePlus Open or Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5? Don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech updates. This is Techtics, signing off.